Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the credit card information is not correct on your PlayStation 4 when you get an error code on your screen. So what we want to do is go up to settings right here and select this. Then go to account management. And then we want to go to account information. Then let's go on down to wallet. Change your payment methods and purchase settings. Then let's go to where it says payment methods on the top. And it's going to show us our credit card information under here. Now the reason we're probably getting this error is because the information is actually incorrect. So what we want to do is delete all the other credit cards except our primary credit card, or even delete our primary credit card and just re-enter it. But we can select into this and just see if it's invalid, and then go to the edit information on the top. So you do have the option to delete it right here and remove it from this payment method, but that is probably the easiest way to fix this error, just deleting all your credit cards and re-entering them. Or make sure you're double checking them, make sure the expiration date is correct. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more type of videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.